So people often recently have been talking about who will be the first to get deported under Trump's planned mass deportations. And I think that we can all have a basic idea on who that will be because, according to ICE data provided to Congress earlier this year, there are more than 13,000 illegal immigrants convicted of homicide either in the United States or abroad who are living outside of immigration and customs enforcement detention. So that means that there are 13,000 illegal immigrants who are convicted murderers living among the general population. Those will be the people who go first. And then there are also a lot of other convicted criminals, many felons. But I think the people who are convicted murderers are going to be the people who are sent out of the country first. And I think everybody can agree that that's a good thing. Nobody wants convicted murderers living among the general population, not to mention 13,000 of them. I wouldn't be surprised if that's a day one thing, that he's going to sign an order deporting all of these convicted murderers and convicted rapists. Because among convicted rapists, how many convicted rapists who are illegal immigrants? Yeah, there's also tens of thousands of them living among the population. Uh, 16,000 convicted rapists. So the murderers and the rapists, the people who pose a dangerous threat to society, 30,000 of them, they will be deported first. I wouldn't be surprised if in the first week Donald Trump orders all of them to be deported, and that is something that we can agree is a good thing. So if people are truly concerned about being deported, then I wouldn't worry about getting the mass deportation started immediately, because the first people to go will be the 30,000 convicted dangerous criminals living among the general population. They will be rounded up and deported, and that will be a good thing, and that will truly make America safer. So if you had any concerns about how the mass deportations will start, that's the answer. 30,000 murderers and rapists will be deported first, and then they will move on to other convicted felons, people who have been convicted for things like assault and drug trafficking. There's hundreds of thousands of them. They will be deported, and then potentially they could go after others. But I think that the time and effort that it would take to round up over 600,000 of these convicted criminals will preoccupy them, and they will have some positive media coverage since they deported over 600,000 convicted felons, which is a good thing. But I don't know, does that mean that Trump should deport himself because he's a convicted felon? I don't know. Well, anyway, have a great rest of your day, and like and subscribe.